This is lesson 65, division with two-digit answers, part 2. So this is the same as last lesson. The difference is you are going to have a 0 in your quotient. Okay, so again, we're going to do the same steps. We're going to divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay, so we're going to look at 3 dividing 234. Now remember, this is your dividend, your divisor. We're looking for the quotient or the answer. And we already know it's going to have 2 digits in it. Okay, now if you notice, this is 3 digits, which means we already know that this is not going to be able to fit. Okay, so 3 goes into 2 how many times? If I have 2 fingers, how many 3s can I fit there? None. So what I need to do in this case is you have options. You can either do all the math out and put a 0 here, so you know you've used 2, and then do 3 times 0 is 0, subtract equals 2. Okay, and do all your steps. Bring down the 3. So you have 3 goes into 23, or you can just put the 0 and then know, okay, I've used the 2. I can't be in that column anymore. I'm now doing 3 goes into 23. 3 goes into 23 how many times? Or third option, you don't put the 0 at all and you just say, okay, 3 doesn't go into 2, so I have to include the next one. So 3 goes into 22 or 23, and you know you need to put your answer above the 3. I am going to do a 0 above the 2 because I like reminding myself that I have used that 2. Okay, I can't put 3 into 2. I am now putting 3 into 23. Okay, so I can't put my quotient above the 2. That space has been taken. So 3 goes into 23 how many times? 3 goes into 23 7 times. 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract, okay, there is my times and my subtraction. Subtract 23, take away 21 is 2. Bring down the 4. 3 goes into 24 how many times? Use your multiplications chart. 3 goes into 24 8 times, which is 24, because 3 times 8 is 24. Subtract 24, take away 24 is 0. I still have 2 digits in my quotient. I just needed to remember that that 3 doesn't fit into that 2, so I have to put a 0. Now, if you've put that 0 at this point, you can erase it if you'd like, or you can leave it. I will not mark an answer wrong if you have that 0 there. If you put an equal 78 over here, though, I just need to know that you know the answer is 78 and not 078. Okay? But I like putting the 0 there because it shows me I have used that place. That is the purpose of a 0. The 0 is a placeholder. It's saying nothing is here right now, but there could be. So that is division with two-digit answers, part 2. Okay? We'll do one more together where I'll go a little bit faster, and then I'll let you go on to your lesson practice. Okay, this one we're going to do is we're going to look at 9 dividing 468. Again, use your multiplications chart. Okay, so 9 goes into 4 0 times. There's my division. Now I'm not going to do all the rest of this for 4. I already know it doesn't work. So 9 goes into 46. 9 goes into 46. I need a multiplication chart. Nine, 18, 27, 36, 40, 36, 45. There we go. Okay. 9 times what? or 9 goes into 46 how many times? It goes in 5 times, which is 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract 46, take away 45 is 1. Bring down the 8. 9 goes into 18 twice. 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract equals 0. My quotient still has 2 digits, okay? Because that 0 is just a placeholder. It doesn't count. So it still has 2 digits, 52. That is lesson 65, division with 2-digit answers, part 2.